Welcome to Crypto X-Ray. Today we're addressing a critical threat, deepfake crypto scams. We'll show you how AI is now fooling investors and how to protect yourself.
Scammers now use AI deepfakes though. Videos so real, they can fool your eyes. Before you trust that face, listen to this.
Deepfakes are AI-generated videos copying real people, founders, influencers to sell lies and fake coins.
They grab clips, feed them into AI, and boom, a fake live stream telling you to invest. Don't fall for it.
Watch the eyes, lighting, and lip swaying. If it feels off, it probably is. Always verify on official pages.
In 2024, a fake Elon Musk video stole over $2 million. One deepfake, thousands fooled.
Verify links. Ignore random DMs. Never send crypto from a video. Stay sharp, stay safe. AI is smart, but you're smarter. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you spot a deepfake? You've just watched Crypto X-Ray, where clarity cuts through the chaos. Don't forget to subscribe and stay sharp in this wild crypto space.